iOS 14, Apple has added a ton of customization options to our devices. We're going to show you how we were able to declutter our phone quickly and easily. First, what I'm going to do is I'm going to head over to my home screen. And as you can see, I have a lot of apps and a lot of pages. What I'm then going to do is I'm going to press down on an app to access my Edit home screen. I'm then going to tap on the dots at the bottom of the page. These dots indicate the number of pages that you have. When I tap, you can see that I have all the visuals of my apps and where they're located. All check marks are showing me that all these pages are visible as of right now. As I deselect, I'm telling Apple to hide these pages. Once I'm done, I'm going to tap and then once more. And now when we head back to our home screen and scroll, you can see that I have my home page and my app library. Remember, we have all of our apps accessible to us through our app library. To show the pages again, we're going to hold down on our home screen, select Edit Home Screen, tap on the pages, and we could start to check off the pages we want visible again. This is a great way to organize and declutter your phone.